Yifu elimnyama esaphenduka abangane mhlangizalo. Yishisha lesomoya esafika ngokuphazima kweso siphase lihlupheko. Yimvula ikhukhula ezamthatha zambe emgaqweni ngakhula ngaze ngaba ngaka. Lena ke incwadi ebhalwe umngane wami uSakhilika. Usimakhe babhala inkonzo ngempilo yabo bafundise ngobuhlungu kulahla abazali semncane. Yesililo esinamandla lihlalikhala mihla namalanga. Mina ezalweni kwami ngangembese futhi ngifumbese. Ngangembese inhlupheko ngifumbese usizi. Ngibona yena-ke lo msamariya wangidabula wakhulisa naye emhlabeni waqeda wangishiya. Mina babe nokukhomba mina. Bathi uma ungafundi uzoba njengaye kusho uMatsafuna kusale bela abantwana babo. Benza mina umzekelo kanti ngabazi ukuthi mina kanginabazali mina babazali bangishiya besadlajambana.
Kunamazwi akhulunywa uDavide athi kuhle kumnandi kangakanani ukuba abantwana bakaNkulunkulu bahlale bendawonye. Phela mase kukhona nabantu baseSwazini sekuhlangana ke iAfrika iyonke phelele. Uthi ke uMartin Luther King Jr. we may choose to live apart and die as fools, or we can come together, be united as brothers and sisters.
For us today to be in touch with the reality through this particular screening, production, it's an opportunity for us to get
What I noted in this production, it opens a chance for conversation between communities to have a dialogue.
Sithandza kudumisa kwekucala ukuthi Mahlaba the street kid. One of my successes akhe kuhlanganisa naDive letimbili. Leli film lo uMahlaba lona washothwa eSwatini edolobheni lakaManzini. Nakwendeka emafilimu timbili tingo noma tintsathu tingo lesi-observe nesi-cancel. One is the preservation of our creative industry, but also the preservation of our culture, but also the preservation of our language.
Mahlaba expresses the lifestyle of the African child in the cities. It's the true African story that goes together with the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations, the SDG goals.
Babeshele enofeme yati ukuthi even as a Swati, you are now an ambassador. You are now our brother. You are now part of our blood.
Lamuhla sitobuka business coming from the art space. Namuhla sibona nama cameras esibona. These are people who are getting employed in the art sector because kusuka umvumo munye walicabanga le film walibhala wasukuma babeshelemo wapartnerisha wase kwakheka amathuba emisebenzi wababa somabhizinisi. Namhlanje naide ekho yinhle is because of the creative space taking charge and stimulating economic activity.
Kubabshelembe nakuzakhele ngithi angibabonge laba in particular because someone had a dream and someone had means. And likewise, you can't finish the history or the story of the Swazi people without mentioning the Zulus. So these two guys have defined that. And siyabonga kakhulu.
Sengisuka sengidigelelanga ifilimu asikishuthi. Wathi ngiyadlala ngathi asikishuthi. Ngathi bonke basishuthi uzibe namandla. Asifuna abantu abanamandla uzibe namandla.
It's your